Want secrets to success in the course of a divorce? Ask yourself what you should be doing. Don't ask your present self. Don't go looking in the mirror. Ask yourself as in the person you are and will be in 2 years. What does your 2025 self want you to do right now? Who do they want you to be? Who do they need you to be now to set them up for 24 months from now? That is the secret to success. Because frankly, that person needs you to do a bunch of stuff. Need you to take certain things seriously, and they need you to stop with some of the negative talk and any of the stuff that does not deliver you into this better transition. That future self is going to be so happy, so comfortable, with so much peace of mind, with so much time on your hands, financial freedom, and the relationships with your children, relationships with your family, a relationship with yourself. That person wants so much for you, and you're going to give it to them. And doing so, you're going to give it to yourself. But just keep thinking about who that future person needs you to be. This is a major life transition, and you've got this. You can do it. My name is Matt. I'm a divorce attorney. I'm doing this nearly 20 years. If you appreciate this content, please like, follow, comment below. Thanks.